welcome back to my channel. My name is Smiti and I hope you all are safe and doing well and taking all the precautions that are required. So today's video is going to be a review video, and it is the review of the book named as Silent Patient, and it is by Alex. And I know that I may be the last person to review this, but here I go. I completed this book and I was hooked the entire time. Kind of books are something which can bring back you from the reading slumps or the demotivation kind of things, and it can hold you. It has the power to hold you through its characters, through its story, and this was one of that hold me and it made me complete my book within a few duration of time. Actually, I have no time. I read this book in the morning for 1 hour, and I read this book at night for 2 hours or 3 hours, or until I finished it completely. And yeah, I posted this on my Instagram, and a lot of you people wanted me to review it. So here I go, and this is a book which I absolutely loved it, and I read, or I should say, I have not yet read such an interesting thriller book. I have Agatha Christie's book that is there on my list, but I wanted to read this because everybody was raving so much that I too wanted to know what was there. So I think I have talked a lot. Now, without any further ado, let's get into the video to know what is there in this book. So basically, this is a book of a patient who is silent and who is not talking, and her name is Alicia, and something happened, and she is not able to talk. Actually, a murder happened, and it is the murder of her husband, and after that she got numbed and she is not able to talk, and people are assuming that she is the killer of her husband. And after that she is not talking at all, and a lot of things happened. A lot of people tried, but no one was able to make her talk. And then named as Theo Faber came in her life, and he is a psychotherapist, so he helps her. He is a fan of Alicia. Alicia is basically a painter, and Theo is fan of her paintings, so that is where he finds Alicia, and all this happens. And I must say the ending was unexpected, and I still don't ending till a long time. I was not able to grasp that what I read in the paper. So that kind of thriller it is, and it is an absolutely awesome book. And I absolutely loved, and my friend Soumya, I picked this book up because she has already read, and when we both have the same books, it is very interesting for me to discuss it with her, because it is always so good to discuss out with your friend who has already read the book. And there are a lot of instances which may have triggered our emotions. This is a book based on psychotherapy or psychology, or what basically people go through in their life, and how they are being structured, how the childhood enhances them, or how much a childhood can affect their future life. It is said that a baby's mind is half developed when he is born. So parents are the one who basically plants a seed in them and structure their brain. So whatever they go through in their life at childhood can have a great impact when they grow up, so to give a good life to their children. So this happened with Alicia. Her childhood affects, somehow affects everybody, and Theo also goes through a lot of things. He has dealt with many of bad experiences, and he also was treated by a psychiatrist, and from there on he decided that he will help others. So that is where he became a psychiatrist, and the whole story was around both of the characters personal stories and how they are interlinked with each other. And apart from this, how Elise not responsible for the murder, or how maybe, I don't know, and I don't want to give any spoilers other than this, but I want to say this is an absolutely interesting book. You will not be bored at any point of time, or you might be a little bit but not that much, because you want to know what is going to happen. And I must say I am a very good guesser in all these kind of thrillers, and I was continuously guessing who can be the killer, or who has done anything wrong, or what must have happened. But I must say this ending was so shocking. It will make you mad if you are already going through a lot. So that is first thing. The next thing is that this is the first book of Alex, and I must say, if this is the first book, I am really waiting for good thrillers from him now, and I'll be waiting for his other books also. I know a lot of Agatha Christie fans are there out, but if you like thrillers, you must try this person. And if you have already, please leave a comment down below that if you liked it or not, or what were your thoughts, or how you felt. And yeah, that is all about this video. I hope you liked it. This is a short review video, so yeah, hit the subscribe button and all those good things. And stay positive, stay kind, stay healthy. Until then, take care of yourselves, and bye bye.